Today we are going to make potato pancakes. So I've got my 3 potatoes and a green onion that's going to go in there. The first step is to grate our potatoes. I'm going to grate them right into a bowl. Once you've got all your potatoes grated, fill the bowl with cold water. Do you see how this water is kind of bubbly and a little bit murky? That's the starch coming off of the potatoes. So we kind of want to get rid of some of that. So that's why we're rinsing our grated potato. So next I'm just going to swish these around in the water and then drain them in a colander. And when you drain them, you want to really squeeze all the water out that you can. All right, I've drained all the water out of the potatoes and squeezed out as much as I could. So I'm going to set these aside for a minute. And we're going to cut up our green onion. So I'm going to just cut the roots off, and then we're going to try to keep the tip of the knife down and cut it into thin slices. All right, now I'm going to move this over because we'll use it in just a little bit. The next step is to crack 2 eggs into a large bowl. Try not to get any shells. Right, and we're going to add salt and pepper in there also, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to use a whisk to beat this up, but you can also just use a fork. Now I will whisk in 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. All right, now we'll add in our green onion that we just cut up and our potato. We'll mix this all together. All right, now it's cooking time. All right, I've got a skillet going with some vegetable oil in it, and it's pretty hot. It's on high heat. So now I'm going to spoon 2 big spoonfuls of our potato mixture into the pan. We're gonna take a spatula and press it down. Now we've got to wait for it to cook on one side. All right, let's flip it over now. Press it down again. Nice, that golden brown is what we want. Now we have to cook it on this side. We'll put this one on a plate, and then we'll cook the rest of them. For this recipe, we need half a purple cabbage, half a red onion, and an apple. Now I've already chopped these ingredients into pieces, so now it's time to get cooking. We've got some butter melting in the bottom of the pan. And then we will add our onions. Let these cook for a few minutes. All right, we've cooked the onions for a couple minutes. So now it's time to add our cabbage. So I'll add my cabbage in here. I'm going to mix it around for a minute. And then I'm going to cover it and cook it for another couple of minutes. All right, now that the cabbage has cooked in there for a few minutes, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we'll add the apples, 3/4 cups of water, salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That'll add some sour in there. And a tablespoon of honey for some sweet. Now we'll mix this all up and we'll cover it back up and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So set a timer. All right, let's see how it looks now. Ooh, yum. Look at that beautiful purple pink color of the cabbage. I'm really excited to eat this. All right, now we finally get to put everything together. We've got our potato pancake. Now I'm going to put a little bit of our sweet and sour cabbage on top. That nice purple color. I'm going to do a dollop of sour cream. And we didn't make homemade applesauce, but you could do homemade or buy it from the store. Some applesauce on top. Yum. I'm so excited to eat this potato pancake with all of our delicious toppings.